Hey, there's gonna be one right over here.
Right back there.
You got something? There he is. Fucking mag. Don't move, zombie. Got him. That was classic. Gotcha. That window right there. Watch that window. Straight ahead. There's a person in that back wall. What's up? Okay. Got him. Good thing too, I just ran out. Let's go! Let's move! Capture in the back. Oh, friendly? Right side window. Right side window. Yep. Nope, next one. Crossing. They just crossed. Watch that side. They just crossed, please. Behind you.
I just killed a guy around here, so they must have.
Gotcha.
You're out of ammo.
Thanks. Reloading. Surrender.
Go.
Go. Where they at? Fred! I shot one guy back here a while back. Bang. Bang. And, hey buddy, bang.
All three, we're going to peel. We're going to go in. We're going to get into the building. All of us? Yeah, all of us. Get in, cut in tight, and go, okay? I can't go in. Yeah, ready? Go. Right, inside. VIP, I need 3 bodies on that VIP.
Where's the VIP?
He's in the corner right there. That's VIP.
Grab him. I got you covered. Come on. Come on.
Just shoot, ready? Guns up.
Go. Yeah! 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 Good run, brother. Yep. Ready? Yeah. Wait for old boy. We're gonna jam in. Come on, zombie! Go!
Don't go in.
Under me. Yeah! Money!